Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you 4 sneaky YouTube editing techniques and how to do them in CapCut PC. So if you want to make your videos feel professional, fast-paced and highly engaging like top YouTubers, so they use clever, subtle editing tricks designed to hook your brain, and you can do them all free in CapCut. So the first one is the J-cut or L-cut trick. So you need to make your audio start before the video or vice versa. So in here, you just need to extract the audio out of the second video, let's say, and drag it a little bit to the end of the first clip, just like this. So it will have a smooth cinematic transition in between talking points. And the next one is the subtractive zoom. So you can use keyframes to create a quick small zooms away from the subject to add emphasis and break visual monotony. For example, here I'm going to add keyframes on a transform and on the last one in here. So on the first one, I'm going to zoom in a little bit, not too many, just a little bit, like this. So it will have a zoom out effect just like this. And the next one is the rhythmic jumps or cuts. Sorry about that. So the rhythmic jump or cut is about syncing your quick cuts or jump cuts perfectly to the beat of the background music for powerful flow. And for the last techniques is the motion graphic pop in. So you can use overlays and simple keyframing on a scale and position to make a text or maybe graphics feel snappy and instant, so it looks like or mirroring the Ali Abdaal style. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. So please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you in the next one.